Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Irish sausage. Always begin by choosing authentic, high-quality Irish sausages from your local butcher or supermarket. It is beneficial to let them sit at room temperature for around 15 minutes before you start. This simple step helps the sausages cook more evenly, preventing a cold center. You can also lightly prick them with a fork, which releases steam and stops them from splitting while cooking. For a classic pan-fried finish, begin by heating a large non-stick frying pan over a medium-low flame. Add just a small amount of oil, perhaps 1 teaspoon of olive or vegetable oil, ensuring it coats the bottom. Place your sausages in the pan, allowing them to gently sizzle. Turn them every few minutes for about 15 to 20 minutes total, achieving an even, golden brown crust all around. The internal temperature should reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer a hands-off approach, oven roasting is an excellent choice for evenly cooked sausages. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Simply arrange the sausages in a single layer on a lightly oiled baking tray. Avoid overcrowding them. Roast them for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, making sure to turn them halfway through. This method yields a beautifully cooked sausage with less fuss and minimal browning. Once cooked, Irish sausages are incredibly versatile and delicious. Traditionally, they are fantastic served with creamy mashed potatoes, a rich onion gravy, and some steamed vegetables. They also make a superb addition to a full Irish breakfast alongside eggs, bacon, and beans. For leftovers, ensure they are cooled quickly and stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for a maximum of 3 days. Always reheat thoroughly before serving again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.